Big Keith, what are you doing?
I'm trying to stick these papers in to get them stapled, but that thing terrifies me.
Big Keith, it's a stapler, not a monster. Why are you scared of it?
I don't know, it just makes such a loud noise and it's so forceful.
I think I'm just gonna keep on having to pull my staples out. Well, Big Keith, you know what? You need to dig deep, find the courage, keep those papers in that stapler long enough, and then staple.
It's just easier to let you do it.
Yes. If your pullout game is weak, it can lead to a lot of issues. Poorly stapled papers, getting sideswiped by Angela the soccer mom, or accidentally having a child that you regret having, whose existence has ruined all your dreams. However, we're not going to be talking about your hot, steamy affair you had with Angela the soccer mom and your bastard child. Today, we're going to be talking about withdrawing, selling, and or pulling out money from your retirement/investment accounts and what you should consider before doing it. So you're watching this video and you're probably going to click the time bar at the bottom to get to the part where I tell you why you should take your money out. Buy that pony or horse or seahorse. But hold your horses. You don't want to get all premature on yourself or someone else for that matter. Before you go fondling your potential investment earnings, like a stress ball shaped like a boob, you should ask yourself, do I really need this money now? Let's talk about when to pull your money out. So here's some times I think are appropriate to pull money out with little or no considerations from your retirement or investment accounts. The answer to all that, I think, is more straightforward than people think, and that is, it's your money. If you need your money, you should be able to access and pull it out whenever you need it. So if life happens, so if you need the money, you pull the money. But the longer answer, or the asterisk next to that, is what is the cost of doing that? How do you hurt yourself long term for doing that? So for example, I know some people that needed the money, they pulled out, but unfortunately the stock that they had stock, direct stock for the company that they worked at, and they needed the money, they pulled it out to use the money because life happens, but then that stock grew quite a bit and they missed out on a lot of money. So you have to weigh and have to view this as, yes, it's your money, but it's your future self's money. So if you are willing to take money from your future self, you can do it, but I don't know about you, but I don't want to hurt my future self too much. So look at it through that lens. Is it going to hurt my future self? Do I need to? Do I have no choice? Absolutely no choice. A lot of people pull money out because it's the easiest choice or the most accessible choice, or they haven't actually explored other options. That's where you should look first, is have I actually truly done everything I can to pay for what I need to now for my current self, so I'm not taking away from my future self. If the answer is I've done everything and I have no choice, then you have done everything and you have no choice. You can access your money because it's your money. But weigh the costs of what are you taking from your future self first before you make any easy decisions. Now, if the reason you're withdrawing money is for anything else, then here are all the things that you need to consider.
You gumming.
I do. Should I get rid of the gum? I can pause. I can make it. High hidden.
It's just rude when you're talking.
It's not rude. I'll up gum, man.
Rude to talk when you have gum in your mouth.
Number one, timing and market conditions. Like asking your boyfriend to build the new shelf that you bought at IKEA on an NFL Sunday. Timing is everything. You know that you have a better chance of getting him off the moon than off that couch. If you're selling your stocks because the market is going down, you might be just locking in your losses. Ask yourself, is this a significant decline in the market or just a short-term dip? Did you ever see this movie, Tropic Thunder?
Oh,
Classic, dude.
I haven't watched it in a while, so like my memory was like so hazy.
Yeah, I watched it for a long time the other night, and there's a scene where Tom Cruise's character is like, which one is the director or whatever his name was? And he was like, me, and he's just like, you, punch him really fucking hard, you know? Yeah, it's so good, dude. Yeah, Tom Cruise, that was one of the, way
Mission
overlooked.
Impossible?
Yeah,
Forget
has nothing on Tropic Thunder. He was
Alright.
so good in that movie, it's so funny. Anyway, number 2, taxes and penalties. Depending on what type of investments you have, you most likely will pay some sort of taxes on that money when you take it out. This includes things like capital gains tax, which is a tax you pay when you sell stock or assets for more than what you paid for them initially. You may potentially need to pay income taxes on whatever money you take out as well. Now, if you have certain accounts like a 401k and an IRA, and you take money out before your retirement age, you will generally have to pay a penalty. This practice is to encourage people to continue to invest, helping to ensure the best outcome for retirement. Kind of like that wacky hand trap in Saw 2. Wow, that was morbid. Oh, and another thing. Although there's potential penalties for taking your money out before 59 and a half from some accounts, the good news is that there are certain exceptions for getting your money out. Now, those penalties I was talking about are called early withdrawal penalties. Now, there's certain scenarios where you don't have to pay the penalties for taking your money out before retirement. Such as during COVID times, there was something called a hardship withdrawal that you could take money out and access it if you need it. Another example is a first-time home buyer. You're allowed to access some retirement money early to purchase a house, penalty-free, just to name a few. Now, number 3, the impact on your portfolio. If you withdraw all your money from one of your investments in your portfolio, it might be worth asking, will it be canceled for not having enough DEI?
Yeah, to me, DEI would have ruined our country, and now it's dead.
Jokes aside, you do want a diverse portfolio. So if there's any dips in certain sectors of the market, you can better withstand them. If the lumber market is being destroyed by an army of ravenous woodchucks, perhaps Lockheed Martin is seeing huge returns for the creation of their new woodchuck-seeking nanomissiles, patent pending. The point is that industry can be affected by so many variables. You should always keep a diverse portfolio to generally encourage stable returns. Now, if you're withdrawing the money and it would potentially remove diversity from your portfolio, it might be wise to potentially rethink how much you take out. Number 4, the big picture. Before taking money out to purchase that pontoon boat, ask yourself, will this help me reach my long-term financial goals? Am I going to be able to retire at 60? I mean, based on the statistics right now, maybe when you're 70, maybe you can think about it. That might be hyperbolic, but the big picture is important. But you don't want to sacrifice that potential stability or jeopardize your future self to indulge in a luxury today. That brings me to my final point. At the end of the day, it's your life and it's your money. Who am I to tell you not to go to Honolulu and spread your mom's ashes? Or you're given a terminal diagnosis, take your investment earnings and put it all on black. It's your life, and money is a tool that helps to ensure that you have a good one. Now that's our show. Thank you for watching. And remember, be smart about how you pull out. We'll see you next time. Oh, there it is. Get him. Good job, dude. How you doing?
I'm doing fantastic.
What a patriot, dude. Yeah, he just took out.
You repeat. Y'all look at another.
Yeah. And remember to murder all lantern flies you run into. Well, I don't really care about, I don't want to be mean to them. Just want to kill them. All right. Don't forget to kill. All right, let's try again.
She's pretty.
Don't forget to kill lantern flies. Those salt guns and just murking lantern flies.